Good morning, student. Today I am going to solve some more question. I think you will understand all the question that I had solved in last classes, 19, 20s. 20 you will solve or not? Question number 20. I was given as a homework, na? Solve. Now today I am going to start question number 21. Okay, beta? Question number 21. In this question, just see the question number 21. Everyone, before seeing this videos, before seeing this class, first you will just see which question I am going to solve. First read that question very carefully and then start the video how I am going to solve that questions. Okay, beta? Clear? Okay. Now question number 21. For the following receipts and payment account, the club for the year ended 31st March 19 prepare income and expenditure account for the year ended. Only we are going to make the income and expenditure account. Okay. Here we are not going to make any type of opening balance sheet or closing balance sheet. Only what? Only we are going to make the income and expenditure account. Income and expenditure account. Okay, beta? Income. Clear? Now we are going to start the making of income and expenditure account with the payment side. I think you well know about the making rules. Don't take any type of balance. Take the only current year income and expense. Take the income and expense which is related with the revenue nature and utilize the what? All adjustment. Start with the payment side. Advertisement to advertisement 13,100. Okay. I think no adjustment about the advertisement. Okay, next. Rent, rates and taxes. The amount is 14,000 because the expense. Next to repairs. Amount is 15,000. Okay, beta? Clear? Next to and stationery. Okay? Stationery 16,000. Okay, then next government brand. It's not a expense, beta. Okay, government grant, government books. Okay, telephone expense. Telephone expense 1,000. Then furniture. You no need of furniture, beta, because it's a capitalized things. Then cash and balance don't take, and then go for the depreciation because in this question depreciation is given 15% on furniture, 15%, and furniture amount is 70,000, beta. Furniture amount is 17,000. 15% of 17,000. And in July, so July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March, 9 months. 9 upon 12. Okay? Just calculate. What amount will come? 3, 5 times, 3, 4 times. 4, 1 time. and then multiply this all. Okay, 175 into 90, sorry, 45, 5, that amount is 7875. 7875. Okay, finished. Nothing else about this. Then go for the income side. And income side first is by donation. Simple donation is there. Okay, beta. No special. Then we are showing here. If it's a special donation, then we are not going to show. Proceed for charity show. No charity fund is given, so we are going to show this. Proceed for charity show. That amount is 16,200. Okay, beta. Then subscription. Subscription amount 52,000, I think. Okay, then add outstanding current year. Add advance last year less outstanding last year and advance current year. Okay, just see in downside beta adjustment is given. It's for 19 beta. Outstanding subscription outstanding of 31st month 19 7,000 and 6,000 for last year. Okay, then go for the next page because we needed the other information on next page. Next page, advance of the current year is 5,000 and last year 4,000. Okay, beta. It means these two will add 11, add 11 minus. It means total is same amount. Okay. Then go for their own question. Same page again. Just see other information. After subscription life membership fee, we are not going to take the life membership fee. Why? Because life membership fee is capitalized. Okay, beta. Next is the entrance fee. By entrance fees 6,000. Okay, beta. Then next is by interest on investment 7,200. Okay, anything else in adjustment? For the life membership fee is given. We are not going to take the life membership fee, so we are not going to show his adjustment also. Now it's finished. Start to totaling. This side 4, 6 to 8, 6, 14, 7, 1, 2, 5, 5, 10. 101400. Okay, beta. Just totaling on this side 2. That's a deficiency coming. Surplus This side total 40, 47, 52, 58, 59, 66, 66, 975, 66, 975, 101400, 75, 5, 4, 4, 3, 3, 3, 4, 7, 5, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 2, 5. Okay, beta. On this way, we are solved the question number 20, 21. Sorry, 20 is not there. 21. And in this question, only we are going to make the income and expenditure account, beta. Okay. Only make the income and expenditure account. Clear? How we are making this? Clear or not? Clear? Now I am going to start one more question. Next question. Just see. The question number 22. Okay. First read the question number 22. Then I am going to start. Question number 22, receipts and payment account is given. And we have to make the all three income and expenditure and balance sheet all. Okay. So first I am going to start. You will read the question, beta. Okay. I am going to start the question for opening balance sheet. Opening balance sheet, cash. That balance we are showing 16, 4, 20, 25, 200. 25, 200. Then outside just see furniture. Furniture amount is 10,000 and sports equipment 20,000. Okay, beta. And depreciation is given. No need of depreciation. Anything else? This side total is and one more information there, beta. Advance and outstanding both is given, na? So then subscription outstanding of last year 5,000. Okay, and advance subscription and outstanding salary. Advance subscription for last year it's 7,000. Last year is 27,000 and last year advance is 2,000 and outstanding subscription is 1,200. Okay, 0, 0, 2, 2, 1 is remain 6. 6, 2, 2, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 95. It's a capital fund. Okay, beta? Now I am going to make the income expenditure account. Just see how I am going to make the income expenditure account. Okay, now start. First, now I'm going to start with the income side. First is subscription, then buy. Subscription amount is 80,000, okay? Then add outstanding current year, advance last year, less outstanding last year, advance current year. Okay, just see, last year outstanding is 7,000 and last year advance is 2,000. Current year outstanding is 5,600 and advance is 2,500. Okay, then totaling the amount and take the outside. Just see what amount is coming. 9,500, 7,600. Okay, one is 9,500, these two, and then 7,600. Then 81,900. Okay, then go for the next, and next is the entrance fee. Buy entrance fee 12,000. Okay, beta. Then next, life membership fee. We are not going to take. Sale of newspaper. Sales 200. Okay, next, canteen collection. Amount is 4,400. Next, interest on deposit. Interest on deposit 1,600. Okay. Finished. Oh shit. Oh, no salary is there, no? Okay. Now we are going for the expense side. To staff salary, adjustment is there, 35,400. Then add outstanding less advance. Okay, then add outstanding, no advance is there, and less outstanding last year. Outstanding current year 1,200 and last year 1,800. Sorry, just opposite, 1,800 and 1,200. Okay, and like a current year this and okay. Then add 600 to 36,000. Okay, next, to canteen expense, no adjustment, 3,500. To miscellaneous expense 800. To insurance 2,000. 2 telephone expense 4,800. Then furniture purchase, investment purchase we are not going to take, but depreciation. So for the depreciation beta, 20% on furniture and 30% on sports equipment. So 20% of furniture, 10,000 old furniture, and furniture purchase 15, 25,000. 20% of 25,000, furniture 5,000, and 30% 6,000. Sports equipment total is 11,000. Okay, anything else? Nothing. Now we are going to totaling of this. This side total is 1200, 1800, 56. Less is more na beta. 80,000 less 1900, 100, 78, 100 beta. Okay, now start. 70, 10, 80, 90, 95, 96, 96, 300. Here 96, 300, 36, 46, 50, 55, 56, 57, 6, 57, 600, 58, 100. Two, 8, 3. It came 3, 8, 200, 2, surplus. Okay, beta. Now it came. Clear? How to make this or not? Clear or not, beta? Now I am going for the balance sheet. Just see how we are going to make the balance sheet. And try to manage this balance sheet on this short pitch. Here, new balance sheet. Capital fund. Capital fund amount is 59,000. Add surplus 38,200, 002, 7, 9. Okay. Then see what thing we are just ignore for the making of the life membership fee on the time of making of that income and expenditure account. Nothing else, but na? This side, receipt side, nothing else. Go for the adjustment. Outstanding salary current year 1800. Okay. and advance subscription 2500. Clear? Now go for the asset side. Cash beta, cash amount is 20,000, 26, 30,000, 30,900, 30,900. Then this side furniture amount 10 and 15, 25, less 5,000 depreciation, then 20,000. Sports equipment 20,000, less depreciation 6,000, 14,000. Investment, and investment amount is 46,000. Outstanding subscription current year 5,600. Okay, 0, 5, 1 remain, 10, 5, 6. 1 remain, 5, 5, 10, 11, 11, 6, 500. Okay, this side 0, 5, 1 remain, 10, 15, 6, 1 remain, 11. Okay, clear? This is the way by which we are going to maintain the all three things: opening balance sheet, then income and expenditure account, and then closing balance sheet. Clear? Any problem you feel, then ask me. Okay, clear? Now after this, it's a question number 22. You will try question number 23 and 24. Okay, any problems there, then tell about that. 23 and 24. Okay beta, try it. If any problem is there, then tell about, or consult with me on phone. I think this question is clear. Okay, in next class we are going to take some more questions. Okay, thank you.